Drumstick curry. Ask your butcher to take the skin off. There's no need for the skin. I've got about 8. Now 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. And this is to fry your 1 diced onion. Fry until golden brown. Yep, that will do. Golden brown. Now into that goes Andrea's Curry Magic. The entire sachet. Sprinkle it over your onions. Mix it in and fry the curry off. Next you put your chicken drumsticks in and coat them well. Now that's well coated. Tomatoes, coconut milk, and 1.5 cups of water. In goes the coconut milk. In go your tomatoes, crushed tomatoes, 1 cup, and 1.5 cups of water. Combine all your ingredients. Now set your timer for about half an hour on a good medium heat and put your lid on. Half an hour's up, lid off. That's looking good. Just a teaspoon of salt. Mix it in. And an additional 20 minutes on medium, making sure your lid is off. Now that's well done. You will see that the meat is actually falling away from the bone. 1 cup of frozen peas. I'm using mint peas. Now that will thaw in the hot chicken curry. The color is still retained. Stir that around. They'll be nice and juicy, those peas. Now serve it in a bowl with some rice. This used to be our favorite when we were children. I suppose because we had to eat the drumstick with our hands. Now when you're serving, you have to have a table napkin there. It gets very interesting. Thank you.